If you're taking the Aptis writing test, here is an overview of the process. The writing test is one of the 5 modules available within the Aptis test system. Aptis is a modern and flexible English test that can be used to assess language ability in all 4 English skills and knowledge of grammar and vocabulary. There are 4 sections in the writing test based on the same theme. You will have 50 minutes to complete this writing test. Section 1 involves completing basic personal information in a form. Make sure to use capital letters appropriately here and be careful with spelling. Fill in all the boxes. Section 2 asks you to tell us a bit more about yourself and to write in sentences. Write 20 to 30 words. Section 3 is like writing on a social network website. You will be asked to write 3 responses, between 30 to 40 words each. The 4th and final section combines formal and informal writing. Here, you will write an informal 50-word email to a friend. Then a more formal 120 to 150-word email to a work colleague or manager. Both emails will be on the same subject matter or topic. You will need to consider the vocabulary you use carefully in each of these tasks to make the tone of the emails different from each other. Coherence and cohesion, which is the flow and linking of your writing, is important here too. Also, watch your grammar, punctuation and spelling. Aptis writing test tips. Make sure you fully understand the question and respond appropriately. Plan what you're going to write before you start. Remember to review your writing and correct any errors before moving to the next question. To better prepare for the Aptis writing test, try these resources. Aptis, Forward-Thinking English Testing. For more information, check our website.